But, where's the product? Like, can y'all see? Where's the rest of the damn product?
Hey Queen, so today I will be showing you ladies what I received in my April non-subscription Curlbox. It's a lot up in this box.
And this time, nothing spilled.
So the packaging do come like this. I like how they got Curlbox on the box. I think the last time I received a box with my products in it, it didn't say Curlbox on the inside. So I think that's really cute. It did come packaged like this with some bubble wrap up top, but I did take the bubble wrap out. I'm going to go ahead and take all of the contents out the box, and we're going to jump right into this unboxing. So I'm going to first start off with the two items that did not fit inside the box. So the first item is the aloe and coconut water detangling and conditioning pre-shampoo. It is 12 fluid ounces. I don't think I ever used a pre-shampoo on my hair. I did use a pre-shampoo before on Harmony hair, and it actually worked really good. So I'm really eager to see how this works for our hair. It conditions, protect, and remove tangles from your natural coils and curl. And it also leaves the hair feeling soft and easy to manage while cleansing. The way you use this product is you apply a generous amount to dry hair and you just detangle. So the next item we have here is the aloe and coconut water hydrate and renew curl milk and detangler. It is a 12-ounce bottle. This leave-in provides daily hydration and also minimize knots, which make styling more easier. So the way you use this product is you apply it to wet or dry hair. You apply it from roots to ends. You finger detangle and you do not rinse. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. Y'all know it do come with all this little information. I'm not reading it. I never do. And inside the box you do get 4 full-size items.
This is why I like Curlbox, because no matter how many times they screw up, for the price, you cannot beat it.
And this box was only $20, plus you have to pay $5 for shipping. So for a total of $25, you do get 6 items. Now I will be leaving the African Pride link down below in the description box, because they do have more products to their collection. This is not the whole entire collection, but they do have more products. So if you ladies want to see what all comes in the collection, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box. So the next item we have here is the honey and coconut oil nourish and shine shampoo. Now this is a 16-ounce bottle, and it does say you do get a bonus of 30% more free inside the bottle. So I guess this is not just the standard size. I'm not too sure what the standard size of the bottle is, but you do get more in this particular bottle. So this shampoo, it gently cleanses the scalp. It also removes buildup without stripping the hair of its natural oils. Oh, this one smells good. I like how this smells. So the way you use this item is you apply a generous amount, you lather, you massage your scalp, and you rinse. So this is the aloe vera gel and coconut water hydrate and hold curl defining gel. It do come in an 18-ounce jar. It smells really good.
But, where's the product? Like, can y'all see? Where's the rest of the damn product? This looked like it was half. I don't even know if y'all can see this. This looked like it was half. This looked like it was used.
Y'all see that? I don't even know if y'all can even see that, because it's clear. Y'all look. Let me show y'all something. Look how deep I can put my hand. That's how deep I can put my hand and no products on my finger. Where's the rest of my product, African Pride? Come on now.
I don't know how to master a twist out, but I'm trying to. I need as much product as I can get.
Anywho, so this product defines coils and curls without leaving your hair flaky. And it also leaves the hair hydrated, flake free, And it also have a long lasting hold. We gonna see, because I'm gonna do a twist out. And we gonna put this baby to test. We gonna see. The way you use this product is you apply it to wet hair, you smooth, use a styling brush or comb, and style as desired. The next item is the Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax.
Y'all, I got so much styling like edge control. Y'all, I don't even use edge control. So, but I got a lot. And, you know, we gonna see.
Now, this does come in a 6-ounce jar. It says it smooths and shapes hard to hold edges in hair without leaving the hair flaky, while nourishing and protecting against breakage and helping to leave edges healthy and tack free. The way you use this product is you apply to your hairline and use a comb or brush to style as desired. Last but not least, we have the Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Repair and Replenish Conditioner. And it do come in a 16-ounce bottle. Now it says it transforms dry coils and curls, leaving the hair hydrated and nourished. The way you use this product is you apply a generous amount after shampooing, massage into hair from roots to ends, detangle, leave on the hair for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. So that is all of the products that came in the April's non-subscription curl box. I did receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 items for only $25. Now I cannot wait until the summertime to start showing you guys some tutorials because it's still cold. I want to start doing some wash and goes, some twist outs, and I'm not really trying to get sick, so that's why I haven't been really doing any tutorials using any of the products that I show you guys. But once the weather start warming up, I do want to try some different things. You know, I want to get in sync with my natural hair. So I have tons of product that I can actually show you guys, different styles for myself as well as for toddler girls if you do have a little one. But that is it for today's video. If you ladies want to see more Curlbox unboxing, don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.